In this quick Process.st guide, we'll walk you through how to create and manage projects with ease. If you're new to Process.st, this video is going to make sure you know exactly how to get started and make the most out of your workflows. Stick with me till the end, and I'll show you a way to use Process.st for free with some exclusive bonuses you won't want to miss. Process.st makes managing tasks and projects simple with its intuitive platform. To get started, first, you'll need to log in and create a new process. You'll find the New Process button at the top of your dashboard. From here, you can either create a process from scratch or use a pre-made template. The templates are an easy way to hit the ground running, whether you're managing marketing campaigns, onboarding employees, or anything in between. Once you've selected a template or started from scratch, the next step is creating your first task. Tasks are the building blocks of your process, and you can break them down into as many steps as you need. Think of each task as a to-do item that helps you keep track of progress and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. With Process.st, you can easily add checklists, assign team members, and set due dates for each task. When managing projects, Process.st's workflow automation features really shine. You can set up conditional logic to ensure that the right tasks appear at the right time, depending on what was completed earlier in the workflow. This makes managing complex projects a breeze, saving you time and effort. Plus, you can integrate Process.st with other tools like Zapier, Slack, and Google Sheets to keep everything connected and streamlined. Another powerful feature of Process.st is the ability to track your project's progress in real time. As you or your team members complete tasks, the project updates automatically, giving you a clear view of what's left to do. You can also use the reporting tools to gain insights into how efficiently your projects are running and identify areas for improvement. To manage multiple projects, Process.st allows you to organize them into folders. You can create a folder for each department or client, helping you keep everything neatly organized and easy to find. The platform also lets you share projects with team members, so everyone stays on the same page. You can control permissions to ensure that only authorized people can make changes or view certain projects. Now, if you're thinking about using Process.st for free, you're in luck. Click the link in the description below to access an exclusive and extended free trial. This means you can dive into all the features mentioned in this video without any commitment and see how Process.st can take your project management to the next level. Whether you're managing a single project or overseeing multiple workflows, Process.st is designed to make the process smoother and more efficient. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating and managing projects like a pro. Don't forget to use the link below for that free trial and bonuses.